Welcome to a world where self-love meets practicality. Self-Care Rewards. This is more than just a YouTube channel. It's a vibrant community designed to help you prioritize your wellness while discovering tangible benefits along the way. Imagine transforming your daily routine into a series of rewarding self-care rituals, each filled with moments of joy and relaxation. Here you will find a treasure trove of resources, from cashback rewards that incentivize your investments in yourself, to innovative apps that simplify your journey towards well-being. In our pursuit of happiness and health, effective strategies are key. Join our community of like-minded individuals who are striving to boost their well-being. One step at a time, we delve into the latest tech tools, exploring how they can make self-care not only easier but also more enjoyable. Picture intuitively designed applications that remind you to meditate, track your habits, or even help you discover mindfulness exercises. With these tools at your fingertips, self-care transcends the ordinary and becomes an exciting adventure. The core of Self-Care Rewards lies in a holistic approach to nurturing both mental and physical health. Expect insightful tips, thoughtfully crafted to seamlessly integrate self-care practices into your busy life. Visualize your morning routine transformed by incorporating simple yet powerful wellness habits. From energizing breakfast ideas to moments of gratitude, every aspect contributes to a healthier, happier you. Whether you're just beginning your self-care journey or you're a wellness warrior seeking new inspiration, our channel offers valuable insights tailored for every level of experience. Don't miss the chance to embark on this exciting journey towards a fulfilled and flourishing life. Every video is designed with care, aiming to empower you to unlock layers of happiness and satisfaction within yourself. So, why wait? Your path to wellness is just a click away. Subscribe to our channel to stay connected. Let's cultivate a supportive environment where we all thrive together. Your journey toward a rejuvenated and enriched life begins here at Self-Care Rewards. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe to the channel for more self-care tips and rewards. Your journey to wellness starts here.